Hi, it's Jan from Cooking with Jan. This is the second part of my steak au poivre video. As you'll recall from the first video, we did delicious steak au poivre. The video was very popular. Thank you so much for the support. Got some additional subscribers as well.
I'm going to turn it over and sear the other side, the peppercorns.
We did a gratin de pomme, potato gratin to go with it. I got the recipe from a YouTube channel here in Germany that I really love. It's from Felicitas Teen. Vielen Dank, Frau Teen. And without further ado, my viewers, let's jump into it.
Okay, before we start with our steaks, which will go very, very quickly, we're going to do our gratin from potatoes with Grana Padano. So the first thing I'm going to do is set my oven to 180 degrees. I already went to the trouble of slicing our potatoes very thinly, as you see here, okay? So there are a number of ways you can slice your potatoes. You can use a mandolin, and you can do like so, right? And you get very, very thin potatoes, as you can see. But I didn't want to mess with that. I have a very sharp knife, and I will just slice my potatoes like such. So I just have a little bit left, so I just take a smaller, very sharp knife, and I just do this. And that's it. Again, this method I use, but you can use a mandolin as well. I just like the sharp knife. It just goes quicker. Okay, we put our potato pieces all in one bowl. So we start with 500 milliliters of heavy cream, or you can mix 250 milliliters of whole milk with 250 milliliters of heavy cream, but we just like heavy cream. This is French. It goes in there. I'll get a whisk. And first thing I'm going to do is take a clove of garlic and just grate it with my small little grater here. I don't have fresh thyme, so I'm just using 1 teaspoon of thyme, and also a little bit of nutmeg, Muskatnuss, the Germans call it. So you want to liberally salt and pepper your sauce. Whisk that around. And this is our basis. If you have fresh thyme, it really is good, but this will work too. Okay, the next step is to put in our potatoes into our gratin form. Now I have buttered this, so you have to really butter it, as you can see. I'll show you here. It's all buttered. And now with the with your work of art, you can do it however you want to. I mean, you can, take your time and put it in like so, but I just put it all in there because as long as it looks good on top. So we're going to salt these potatoes, being careful, not doing too much, but doing it liberally. Of course, the Grana Padano also has salt content in it. Just mix it around like this. Now we pour in the sauce. It's so easy to do. Put the sauce in. Always use your fingers. It's one of your best tools in the kitchen. Okay. Spread this around. I don't do this in any, just do it messy, just to save time, because I want to put it in the oven. We want to eat. 100 grams of very finely shredded Grana Padano. By the way, I just skipped a step because I can also put in a bit of Grana Padano in the sauce itself. So I'm just going to put this in like so and mix it around, and then we're going to layer it with cheese on top. Just like this. Actually, of course, it would have been easier if you had used the whisk. Anke just corrected me. It's Grana Padano, not Padano. So I'm just going to liberally spread here just to cover the top of the gratin. Okay, now this is going to go in the oven for up to 50 minutes until it gets brown. We're going to check on it after 40 minutes because my oven is actually very powerful, I have found. And that should be fine. Into the oven it goes. Take it out of the oven gently. 45 minutes have elapsed, by the way. As I mentioned, look at that. Ow. Very hot. Very hot. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up on my channel. We are almost at 130 subscribers. Thank you so much for the support. And until we meet again, as Jacques Pepin says, happy cooking. Oh. Okay, that's going to have to go in the bloopers.